Hi guys and welcome back to my channel. Today we're diving into the world of business card and stationery, exploring the importance of these essential brand elements. Join me as we uncover the secret to creating impressive business card and stylish stationery that leave a lasting impression on your clients and partners. And to start with the website, simply head on over to businesscards at stationery.com or without that .com and choose we have Fiverr, Free Pick, Crane and Co. This is the best one, Fiverr. We all know this website. And it's for the are essential elements of a personal brand identity, and they serve as a tangible representation of your business and provide crucial contact information to potential clients or partners. So like you see with me here, once we click to the link, you get directly to the homepage or the interface of the website, where you can find a lot of services and key features, and also these two buttons where you can sign in if you have already an account, or join if this is the first time to you and Fiverr or the business card designs and industry, and also if you want to change the language. And the most important thing, like we all know, the bar search. If you have something specific in your head and you cannot find this on the filter, you can just write it over here by the color, the name of the designer, the color, or whatever it was. You can just write it over here. Okay, let's check this page quickly, because we're gonna come back to it later after I show you how to join for the first time on the website. Like you see here, we'll find all things that we may need or we may like. So to join for the first time, you need just to click on this green button and choose how you want to join. You want to do it by Google, Facebook, Apple, or by the email address. So we want this one, or I will choose this one, not we. And I will write my email here and click on continue. So we need to choose a username. And a password. And click on join. So to activate our email, we need to check out the inbox and click to the link that they sent to us to confirm the account. And to do that, we need just to go to the inbox, and we need to find, okay, it's already here. So you've successfully created the Fiverr account. To activate it, please click below to verify your email address. Let's activate it. So the account successfully activated. Hey, this is a great time to edit your profile. If you want to edit a profile, that means to add a photo of profile, change password, or anything else, you need just to click on this one here, or go to your account. Excuse me. Or go to your account and do it from the setting. And also, if you want to log out from the account on Fiverr, you can just click on logout over here. So now let's try to know the design elements here that incorporate a relevant design elements that represent your businesses. These could include icons, patterns, or graphics that link with your industry or brand identity. Use visual elements strategically to enhance the overall design without overwhelming the layout. Like example, let's try to choose an element from these ones here, like example this one here. So we have also the price from until and you can also filter by the high price to low or the low price to high. Let's try to use or choose this one, and you will just find all the information about the elements here or about the gig. So like example, they here tell us about this gig here that we are driven to create a brilliance and functional brands, and through the graphics design and the harmony of the elements that we clarify the perception of brand for the customers, and we will transform your message into an attractive and coherent design that will establish a strong presence in the market and more from words. And you have this information here, the basic one, the standard, and the premium. The price is different in which one of them, and also the services, of course. For the basic stationery, we have this package includes business cards, a letterhead, folder, and envelope. Okay, and for the 29-day delivery and the 2 revision, you can just see them from here. We have 3 concepts, files ready for prints, and front and back design. This one is no, it's not found. And for the standard, yes, it is, and the price is different. This one is the same. And for the premium, we have this package includes complete stationery files, social network images, brand guidelines, and also it's 29 days delivery, but 3 revisions, 3 concepts, files ready for prints, includes source file, and front and back design. Okay, to continue, excuse me, with someone from these plans here, you need just to continue and get in your information of the payments method. Like example, if you choose the payments per card payable or anything else, you need just to confirm the number of the card, the CVC code, expiration date, and your name as in the card, that means the legal name. And to see it all, you need just to change the image, different colors, different rights, and you can choose just what you want to start designing, like it was. Also this plans here, same, the 100, 105, the 1000, 1500, $2,500, the basic, we see them before, the basic, standard, and the premium. And also for the contact, or also we can call it the contact information, include essential contact details such as your name, job title, company name, phone number, email address, the website URL, and any relevant social media handles. Make sure the information is accurate and easy to read. So this will be the last of our video. I hope you get understand, and if you like the video, please subscribe for more and follow me to see more videos like this. So like usual, my guys, bye bye to the next video and the next websites.